Today we're gonna remove Ford E150 van radio, which is basically same as most Fords and Mazdas, I guess. And a lot of people use clothes hangers, but I just didn't have any around, so had to work my way around it. And let's see. What you want to have is at least a couple small screwdrivers or something like this. You need only two. And some kind of pliers would be nice. So I just grabbed the tape thingy with the pliers and insert two screwdrivers all to the end. And then just you have to push it out and pull. You got one side out, insert in the other side, make sure the left side doesn't snap in, and again push and pull. There you have it. It's out. And these are the clips that you're basically pushing with the screwdrivers. See, and this is how it snaps out of the bracket. That's it.